Ha! Wanila marago no butimo. Ya mere ndị na-aṅụrị. Ụwa niile kweta ego n'ọbụchi m. Ya mere ndị na-aṅụrị. Elu ụwa niile kweta ego n'ọbụchi kere anyị o. Ya mere anyị dị na-aṅụrị. Elu ụwa niile amatago n'ọbụchi nyere anyị ndụ. Ya mere anyị dị na-aṅụrị. Ụfọdụ ma ọgbanye nwụrụ anwụ n'ọnwa nke gara aga. Hei, ya mere dị na-aṅụrị. Ebe o nyere anyị ndụ ka anyị kelee nụ ya. Ya mere dị na-aṅụrị. Elu ụwa niile kweta egwu, ụwa niile amara agwụ, ụwa niile kweta egwu, ụwa niile amata agwụ, ụwa niile kweta ego na ọ bụ Chi kere anyị. Hei, ya mere dị na-aṅụrị. Ebe! You see, the reason why I am singing this song, it's because we started this year with songs of praise.
You can say that again.
Yes! We also started this year with smiling.
Oh.
We started this year in good health.
Exactly.
And here we are at the end of it. Now, the bottomless part of this year.
Uh-huh.
Now, Christmas, yeah, December month.
Uh-huh.
We are almost at the end. In fact, we are at the end of
I know, so you go up.
at the end of the year. And because we are smiling, or we started with smiling in January, now December we are still smiling. And I remember we started with songs of praise. That is why I said, if we are not happy, what will
Can you even now for?
It's an audience. This is enough reason for us to say, Aye, Chukwemela, Chukwu zakwara ni ekpere. Hey, oh, Chukwemela, Chukwu zakwara ni ekpere. That Jehovah bụ memma, Ọkpara Chineke ka gị mere anyị ncha dị ndụ. Chukwu zakwara ni ekpere. Hey, aye, oh, Chukwemela, Chukwu zakwara ni ekpere. All right, our wonderful fans and brothers, families, friends, and well-wishers. We are wishing everybody a happy new month. I know you woke up safe. I know you are stronger. I know you have been believing in God for one thing or the other. This is your month. Do not be discouraged. Do not allow anybody to take you back to where you started from.
At all.
Forget about yesterday. Forget about last year. Forget about all that happened this year. But I want you to look forward to what you are about to achieve, because this is your month of miracle. As far as God has brought us to this beautiful month, every day the way we go, bro nwa to come n'ime ọnwa December. Eliza name favor will locate you.
Amen.
You will not know shame.
Amen.
For the fact that we have gotten to this point, we must cross over with joy.
Ahead.
More happiness from the bottomless pit of my heart. Yes, we wish all of you a happy new month.
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 In case you don't know my name, I am still Chiefimo worldwide. And you are?
Timo. Timo. The name is so short that it means a lot. Timo. What on I'm in one upon a phobia say one Ebubian one abome brala.
Then more for the
Get
behind me, Satan.
You get behind me. Therefore.